Welcome to your Backyard Biodiversity Monitoring Home Kit. These instructions will help you set up 3 pieces of monitoring equipment in your backyard. This project was funded by the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment through the Unlocking Curious Minds Contestable Fund. It was developed and implemented by the Otago Peninsula Biodiversity Group, Landscape Connections Trust and EnviroSchools Dunedin. Your home monitoring kit contains 3 pieces of equipment: a tracking tunnel, a chew card, and a pitfall trap. And this is how they all work. The tracking tunnel works by recording the footprints left by animals on an ink card. When an animal enters the tunnel to eat the bait, their feet get inky and leave prints on the white sections of the card. The chew card is pre-baited with peanut butter, which attracts animals to come and have a chew. When an animal chews the card to eat the peanut butter, their teeth leave characteristic marks to identify them. The pitfall trap is for catching bugs, which wander along the ground, then fall in the trap. If you find a bug in your trap, you can take it out, take a photo of it, then release it again. Now that you know how the equipment works, it's time to head outside and find some places to set it up in your garden. To set up the tunnel, find a flat place near plants and trees, compost heaps, creeks, old buildings, or green waste piles. Once you've placed your tunnel down, secure it in place by inserting the 2 metal wires into the ground. Bait the tracking card using peanut butter, or a different bait if you'd like to try one. Spread a dollop into the middle section of the card and 2 smaller dollops at either end. Once the card is baited, slide it into your tunnel. Then your tunnel is set. To set your pitfall trap, find a shady spot under trees or bushes with a layer of leaf litter and sticks. The kind of place you can imagine lots of bugs living. Dig your hole down deep enough so that the pitfall sits level to the ground with no exposed lip. This means that when the bugs come along, they can fall straight in. Pat down the earth around the edges of your trap, and then find little bits like sticks and rocks to create some shelter at the bottom. You will need to keep the wooden lid raised about 1 inch from the top of the trap. Find sticks or rocks to raise the lid up at the corners. This way, it will protect from rain and sun, but still allow bugs to fall into the trap. Check your trap once a day to see if you've had anything fall in. If you're unable to check your trap, secure the plastic lid to keep it closed. To set your chew card, find a tree or post with nearby tussock grasses, shrubs, trees, a compost heap, hedge or shed. Fold the chew card in half and push a nail through around 1 centimetre from the fold. Nail your chew card around 30 centimetres from the ground, leaving enough of the nail exposed to pop the 2 sections of the card apart. Once you've hammered in your nail, your chew card is set.